So Frugal RV Gal is fixing breakfast and obviously has an audience.
Yeah, when I got the sausage out.
Sausage on the fire.
Today is a good day to live.
Okay, this morning we are having, well, it was toast, but I made it into cinnamon toast and 2 sausages. We're out of eggs, and oh, you're gonna have Smucker's strawberry jelly on yours. Oh, you had 1 cinnamon toast. And
Had is the operable word.
yeah, and now you have 2 regular toast. You're gonna put jelly on it. That's for breakfast this morning.
All right, this is Sheila from Canada. Thank you for being here because you were at my booth yesterday, weren't you?
I was, yes, and I came back this morning.
You did. You got
to buy a book.
the journey. That's so great. And what are you doing here in Quartzsite?
Just visiting with friends, and then we're traveling to Yuma, and then back to Canada.
Wonder. That's a little bit of a haul.
Oh, it was a good trip, though.
That's awesomeness. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Daddy, are you going to stay with me while Daddy goes and makes a film? He's going to make a video, okay? He'll be back. Okay, chill, Dottie. Take a chill pill. Oh, good, Dottie.
From the Big Tent, it's cinnamon, sugar covered, a mixture of cashews, almonds, and pecans. And they're absolutely amazing.
And they're warm.
Yeah, they sell these at Buc-ee's, and it's one of my favorite things in the world to get at Buc-ee's.
And if you like
Cheryl,
to
hold that
warm
open
the
for me.
man at the stands,
Let everybody
heat it up
see.
in the microwave for about just 10 or 15
Oh, God, they
seconds,
smell
but they're
so
really
good.
Ooh, yum, 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 yum.
Uh-oh, I have to steal one.
So sweet.
Hey.
Oh, yeah, no.
Oh, my God.
got hot all
I
of a
stole
sudden.
one.
Oh, you did too? Oh, isn't it good? It's my favorite thing at Buc-ee's. Thank you so much. So Grace is going to come and relieve Jenna for lunch today, and Cheryl is hanging out with us while she's waiting to meet some friends, and Dottie is hanging out with us, like I said, because her daddy's out making videos.
You look so stressed.
Oh, I know. Just that chill pill is really working, Dottie. Good job. Good job. Thank you, Grace. What'd y'all do with Jana?
Oh, we saw it. Yeah, we told her to go to the Big Tent and bring back something nice.
No, she really did go to the Big Tent, but she's on a mission.
Yeah, we threatened her. If you don't go and bring us some nice present, then don't come back. Yeah, just keep walking.
Who's out there dancing? Travels with Dottie, are you dancing, singing in the rain? But there's no rain. No falling allowed.
No falling allowed?
Were you out filming the Big Tent?
Yeah. No, out filming in Celarama today.
Oh, nice.
And if you want to know how this lifestyle saved Debra, buy this book.
Okay, I'll pay you later.
Available on Amazon, Audible, and Kindle.
That is true. I'll pay you later, sweetheart.
Later.
This is David. Well, I'm not going to say this is David. Why am I pointing? Goodness, this is David and Judy. What state are y'all from?
California.
California.
Southern California.
Southern California. Did you do okay in the fires?
Oh, yes, we're
Okay.
close. We're by the beach.
Okay, I had a friend that lost everything, so heart and prayers to them. But so glad you're good on that. They were walking by the booth, and you actually saw Rob, Travels with Dottie, sitting over in the corner, and they stopped and they ended up talking, and you ended up getting you on a show them. Yeah, 2 books. Thank you so much. It has been a pleasure.
It's been a pleasure for us as well.
Thank you. Hello, hello, hello. What's up for lunch today?
These enchiladas.
Woohoo!
A
Woohoo! Look at that. Yeah, it's a Jana production. Woohoo! And you don't have sour cream on yours? No?
I ran out of sour cream.
Well, we can share.
Share $1 for sour cream.
Absolutely.
No, that's for presentation.
That's for presentation.
And the
Okay.
lettuce didn't look good, so you didn't get the lettuce.
Well, it's because it probably froze in my fridge. So we're sitting here, and they walk up, and what is your name?
Sam.
And you are?
I'm Jack.
Jack, and y'all will meet their pets on another video when I do pets of Tyson Wells. But you came up and you said that you got my Kindle because you saw
On
Travels with Dottie.
Travels with Dottie.
Isn't that so cool? And Rob's still sitting here with us, so this is a wonderful moment. Thank y'all so much.
Thank you.
so
Have a
much.
great
Hey
day.
guys, y'all met Ace last year when he and his sister Effie dropped by, and it's so good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
He came by to say hi and is getting one of my books, but I have to tell you, so tell him your YouTube channel name.
Ace's Doggy Inn.
Ace's Doggy Inn. The reason that we knew last year, they were walking by and we're like, hey, YouTubers, because he had this huge tripod and this huge camera, but show him your equipment now.
We've minimized.
Yeah, that is so awesome. And thank you so much for coming by, because we were talking about you the other day, wondering if you were going to make it.
Oh, definitely. Wouldn't miss it for the world.
That's great. We'll see you on the FNL, right?
Absolutely.
This is Lisa and Jose, and you guys came over from
Towards California.
California, and you were here the other day, and you said you came by and I wasn't here.
Yeah.
I don't
so
know.
I came back to see you.
Well, thank you so much, and thank you for getting my book. It's been a pleasure visiting with you.
And nice meeting you.
Thank you, sweetheart. What'd you think about was this day 9? Yeah, this is day 9. I think I said day 8 this morning, but I don't know what I said this morning. It's been a long day. What'd you think of today, Virgil?
I went to the big tent specifically looking for dehydrated hot sauce. I saw it in Adventure Van Man's video yesterday, I think.
Cool.
That he bought it at the big tent, and I was like, oh, I want some. All you need is a can of diced tomatoes, and then you add this powder to it, and they have different mild, spicy, hot.
I bet you're going to do a video on it, aren't you?
Yeah.
So everybody be watching for that video.
And I also bought some Bloody Mary powder to make Bloody Mary with tomato juice.
Yeah, sounds good. Banda, are you a little bit tired? He said, Mama, there was a lot of people at the booth. Sammy says, what booth? What are y'all talking about? Where's my snood? said not Sammy. Day 9 was wonderful. 2 more days, you guys. No, 1 more day. Today, oh my God, did I mention it was a long day? But it was a good day.